how to change someone's rank in your Roblox group. So the first thing that we need to do is load up Roblox, then click on the left menu icon here in the top left, and then go into groups. Here we will find our group. As you can see, I am the owner, and now we have to click on the three dots and then select configure group. Right here we will need to go into the members section, and as you can see, there are currently two members, so this is me and this is my other account. And basically, if you want to change the rank, underneath it you will see the current rank, and if we click on this menu, it will show us a list of all of our different roles that we have set up here, so they can be a member or admin, and just select the new rank which you want to assign them, and it will show us just successfully updated the role. So that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.